guys love this Emily Blunt's inspired makeup look, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to MyGlamm's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more such videos. All the products used in this video are mentioned in the description box below. Also don't forget to go ahead and download the MyGlamm app. And if you want to watch Alaya's celebrity inspired makeup look, click here.